A TNTvans camper conversion kit is the lightest way to outfit your van. A place to stow your gear, food, and lay your head is the basic needs of all camper vans. You can have a TNTvans camper conversion kit installed by this very weekend because the entire system can be assembled and installed in just one day. Camper conversion kits are comprised of the bed bridge that mounts on top of the super shelving that come with a cooler slide and sometimes the sink system. A TNTvans bed system is the fastest way to get your camper van going in the right direction. A place to store your gear and lay down is the first step. Everything else like solar, insulation, floor, walls, etc. can all be added later. We have multiple heights and lengths to choose from. You can build your bed between 2 and 8 feet long and select a bed that is low enough to easily access, or maybe you need to be as high as possible to fit items underneath like bicycles and motos. Our bed framework does not block the rear door handle, and the entire bed system can work with or without window flares. The bed system is comprised of the bed bridge mounted on top of the super shelving. The TNTvans bed bridge is held in place by 4 bolts and can easily be removed when you need more storage inside your van. The TNTvans super shelving is all about being the lightest shelving on the market and having quick, visible access to your gear. The open cabinet design allows me to see where my stuff is immediately. I designed it this way because after years of using bins inside of my wooden cabinets, I realized that the bin is doing the work containing my items and not the actual cabinet walls. The super shelving comes in 3 lengths, 1, 2, and 4 foot. The 4-foot unit can be mounted over the wheel well. The shelving was designed around this specific size bin so the bin sits tight and rattle-free on the shelf while you go down the road. The TNTvans cooler slide not only slides your cooler out to you, but also comes with a great countertop to prep your meals or even work on your laptop. It comes with a compartment under the countertop for convenient storage of kitchen utensils, spatulas, paper towels, or anything else you might need. The slide is vertically adjustable to fit the height of your cooler. It comes with a system to keep the cooler strapped down and to keep the cord plugged in while positioned up and out of the way during slide operation. The bottom of the unit is open for easy mounting and floor storage. This is my favorite place to stow all of my family's shoes. The TNTvans sink system is a fully self-contained sink that requires no wiring or plumbing to an outside tank. Inside the cabinet is a 6-gallon fresh and gray tank. These tanks are easily removed by hand and refreshed. The water flow is provided by a manual foot pump. The sink has a folding faucet and lid that collapses out of the way in order to provide more counter space inside your van. Under the cabinet next to the foot pump is a smart place to stow things like shoes or tools. Down the road, if you feel you need a larger freshwater tank or a 12-volt water pump, you can easily hook the lines up to this sink and store the electrical pump inside the cabinet. No wiring, no plumbing, and no need to be a professional van builder. The TNTvans system can be built by anyone. All TNTvan units are designed to be extremely flexible when it comes to installation. The user has many options on where to mount their anchors into the floor or wall. Once the anchors are installed, the TNTvans product can be bolted into place. Being able to completely remove the interior quickly allows the user to easily make changes to their walls and floors at a later time. So down the road, if we want to add power, if we want to add outlets, if we want to put in a solar system, we can. Or maybe we just need to return our van back to stock. The TNTvans interior system doesn't lock you into just one build. To save space and weight, all products utilize the smallest, lightest, but strongest material put in the correct places. The right tool for the right job. All TNTvan units are the lightest on the market in their category. An average entire van conversion kit is under 200 pounds. I designed TNTvan's interior for rough terrain. Wooden joints eventually wiggle and twist loose over bumpy roads, so all the framework is 100% composed of 6063 aluminum with redundant joints for extra strength. The open framework design allows the user to be able to hook or strap down their gear quickly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you go on an adventure today.